Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to take you through troubleshooting on my daily driver. This morning and after work today, the engine just kind of started up kind of sluggish, not with the pep that it used to have. So I'm just going to take you through. I don't know what I'm going to find. Hopefully it's something easy. So a couple things come to my mind. It could be alternator, it can be the actual battery itself, it could be dirty terminals, but nonetheless, let's take you right through it, okay? First off, you want to make sure these terminals are nice and tight, they're not loose or anything. They don't look super dirty or corroded, so look okay. The best thing to do is to actually take the terminals off and inspect on the inside, see what it looks like. Here's what the terminals look like. Now they're not terrible. Let's sort of see. There's some corrosion there, but not a lot. But nonetheless, I have it open. I have it detached from the battery. I'm just still gonna clean it. And you want to do this before the battery actually leaves you stranded, assuming it's the battery. You don't want to wait until it leaves you stuck somewhere middle of nowhere. So I have this little battery terminal cleaner. Cleans both the terminal on the battery and on the inside. Alright, so I got the terminals hooked back up snug to the battery posts again. I'm just gonna crank it back up again and just see how it sounds. That sounds better. Hopefully that's all it is. I'm still gonna check it. I'm gonna show you a scan tool that I bought off of Amazon. Very useful tool. Saves you an hour at the AutoZone trying to get your battery checked out. It's basically doing the same thing as what AutoZone or O'Reilly's does when they hook it up to their system. Checking out the state of health of your battery as well as the charge. So I'm gonna walk you through it and show you how it works. So this is a scan tool I was telling you about. It's kind of an off-brand Topdon RD battery 101. I've used it a couple times already. I've had this probably a year or two now. And let's put it to use. Alright, so you hook up the system to the negative and positive terminals here of the battery. So power it on. And then you just go through this. We're going to do in vehicle because it's not out of vehicle. This is before charge. I didn't charge it or anything. And it's a regular flooded. Cold cranking amps. We're going to go off of that. And on the battery here it says 400 CCAs. It is on 400. Press OK. State of health is 18%. The charge itself is at 70%. And it says to replace. SOH and SOC. The difference of that. And I'm no expert in this. State of health is the overall health of the battery. That's how I take a look at it. Kind of the lifespan of it. So what did it say, 18%? That's pretty low. And it even indicates that you should replace the battery. State of charge is how much charge it's keeping in there. I mean, if you want, you can take a look at that too, but I really don't care about that in this type of situation. I am interested in the health of the battery. So with it being low, on the low end, 18%, I'm gonna see and go through my old receipts to see if this Duralast battery still has a warranty on it. If not, I'm gonna be out, under 50 bucks or so for a new battery. After looking around on the battery here, I don't know if you can see a sticker down there. 915. So this battery is 7 years old. I doubt there is a warranty that'll cover for 7 years. It's done its job, so this is gonna be out of pocket.
The next day.
Alright, thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.